Welcome. In this video we will show you how to properly install Permaloc StructurEdge paver restraint. Before you begin the installation of pavers and edging, you must prepare the base according to the specifications, including a compaction of at least 95% proctor density. Screed concrete sand over the base to a uniform thickness of not less than 1 inch and not more than 1 1/4 inch. Install the pavers according to plan so that the top of the pavers are 1/4 inch above the desired finished grade. Install StructurEdge with the base resting on the aggregate and facing away from the paver, or you can put the base under the pavers. Connect each section together by sliding the sliding connector into the channel along the top of the edging, spanning both pieces. Spike the edging into place with 10-inch spiral steel spikes every 1 foot on center. Also spike the end of each edging section. If curves or angles are required, simply form the edging to the desired curve or angle. If necessary, cut the base. Sweep concrete sand into the joints between the pavers. Lastly, compact the pavers to final grade and remove any excess sand from the surface. More installation and product information can be found online at Permaloc.com.